they said, we are defiant. The president feels defiant. Look, got to be tough. Normally he's getting a motorcade. He's going someplace to play golf or did a fundraiser.
Former President Donald Trump surrendered to federal authorities and was arrested in Miami Tuesday afternoon, multiple outlets reported, ahead of his arraignment on felony charges alleging he mishandled classified government documents, marking his second indictment since announcing a 2024 run, and the first time a former president faces federal charges. Former President Donald Trump has pleaded not guilty to 37 charges related to alleged mishandling of classified documents. Trump's lawyers asked for a jury trial during the former president's arraignment Tuesday at a federal courthouse in Miami. "We most certainly enter a plea of not guilty," Trump attorney Todd Blanche told the judge. During the hearing, Trump sat hunched over with his arms crossed and a scowl on his face. He did not speak. Trump's aide and co-defendant, Walt Nauta, was also arrested, fingerprinted and processed. He had an initial appearance Tuesday but will not be arraigned until June 27. Here's what else happened at Tuesday's hearing, which ended after roughly 45 minutes. Magistrate Judge Jonathan Goodman ruled that Trump could not communicate with Nauta about the case. The judge also told prosecutors to make a list of potential witnesses that Trump can't communicate with about the case, except through counsel. The judge did not, however, place any travel restrictions on either defendant. The Justice Department recommended that both Trump and Nauta be released with no financial or special conditions. Prosecutor David Harbach said that the government does not view either defendant as a flight risk. Goodman began the hearing thanking the entire law enforcement community for their work on Tuesday. Before the arraignment hearing, deputy marshals booked the former president and took electronic copies of his fingerprints. They did not take a mugshot of Trump since he is easily recognizable. The booking process took about 10 minutes. The criminal charges in the Justice Department's classified documents case escalates the legal jeopardy surrounding the 2024 GOP frontrunner. Special counsel Jack Smith attended Tuesday's arraignment. Before last week's federal indictment, Trump also faced criminal charges brought by New York City's local prosecutors for an alleged hush money scheme in the 2016 campaign, in which Trump is accused of falsifying business records. The new charges in the DOJ documents case are drastically more serious and present the possibility of several years in prison if Trump is ultimately convicted. 31 counts that Trump faces are for willful retention of national defense information, a charge that does not turn on whether the documents are classified. In addition to the obstruction conspiracy, he also faces 4 counts related to the concealment of the documents, as well as a false statements charge. In a case like this, obstruction and tampering help prove the main charge, that the defendant willfully engaged in the charged conduct, said David Aaron, a former federal prosecutor in espionage section of the DOJ's National Security Division and a current senior counsel at Perkins Coie. Those facts could also affect how a judge, the jury, or the public views the case and could substantially affect sentencings. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.